Hello, I'm really excited to be able to show you a little sneak peek of what's inside the Chloe's Creative Cards Premium Magazine issue 7. So this is available to order now on CraftStash. Let's take a look. Now inside these box kits we always have an awful lot in here. So first of all we have amazing crafting tools and we have these beautiful clear stamps. So we're looking at snowflakes, both simple and intricate here. A gorgeous snowflake wreath. We have florals in here as well, so we're not talking about just making your festive cards. We have beautiful sentiments too, and I absolutely love the font that's been used with these. To coordinate with those, we also have these Snowflake Dies. There's 2 dies here, and I love that they've been designed so that you can use them either so you cut out the snowflake aperture into your card, or you use what comes out of the die and place that back on your projects. We also have this gorgeous snowfall stencil. It's a 6x6, so it's a really good size. And of course you're going to have so many projects inside of the magazine showing you all the different techniques that you can do with this. Then there's an embossing folder, and with this we have the 2 corners decorated, but it's plain on the inside. So with this you can make beautiful card fronts, and again there's going to be loads of inspiration inside this magazine. So let's take a look inside the booklet here. Now of course we have amazing step-by-step projects. Some of them are going to be really simple for you to follow, some are going to be more intricate and a little more time consuming, but with all of them you do have those step-by-step instructions, so you're never left on your own. And what I love about this magazine is in the centre we have, there's so many pages to flick through here, the beautiful backing papers. Now we have elements that you can cut out, and then we have the papers that are double-sided, so you can tear them, you can roll them, you can layer them up, and you know that they're all going to tie in beautifully and coordinate with each other really well. We have more than one of each design as well, so you'll never have to choose which one to use. Use them all and save some of them as well. So we have beautiful projects here as well that are floral, they're summery, they're for springtime. You don't have to be doing your Christmas cards alone with these. They're absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to delve in and start using this beautiful premium magazine and the tools that come with it. So you can order yours now on craftstash.co.uk.